Hello friends, welcome to our channel Package Hub.
Today we are going to dissecting a hibiscus flower, so let's go.
हर मौत आनी है आएगी एक दिन, जान जानी है जाएगी एक दिन, ऐसी बातों से क्या घबराना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना, हर जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Package Hub.
Today we have to dissect a hibiscus flower, so let's go. First we have to cut the sepals of this. And then
Firstly, we describe the parts of this flower externally. So these are called as petals, and these are style,
style, this is the style.
in which the anthers are attached on the tip of the flower. So firstly, we remove the sepals of this flower. This is the sepal of the flower.
So in this we have seen a ovary which is covered by a pure thalamus. So just a minute, I'm seeing. Cut very sharply. Let's see.
In this, you can see that this is the part of ovary in the flower. See that. This is the part of ovary.
And first, one more thing about the stigma, that this is very sticky, in which pollen grains are taken.
So here we detach the petals of this flower. You can see here, this is the petals, and in this flower 1 2 3 4 5, there are 5 petals. So we remove all the petals.
Actually, I am feeling that this is very sticky. You can't feel because you have not performing experiment. So this is very sticky. So I am saying by testing this paper. Let's see. This is too sticky. That's why pollen grains comes to this. Okay, understand?
So come here. In this part of the flower, these are pollen grains are attached with
Anther and attached with anther, and this is the style, the whole, and inside this
one interesting thing is that you see a tube-like structure
known as pollen tube,
yeah, you see that,
by which pollen grains are go to this ovary. We have already seen. Okay, we got it. Okay,
so here we have the paper in which the whole parts are described in a figure. So we put it on it.
by which we understand very perfectly. Okay,
Where is the part of ovary?
Yeah. And this is sepals, which is cut, which is already cut.
You can see that here these are petals,
Petals
and the anther part is here.
here, and the stigma is upward, as you already know,
And the pollen tube is
by which pollen grains falls and go to the ovary. Okay,
here. You see the ovule.
ovules. This is the ovule part. The circle-like structure present there, seen perfectly. Please seen. This is the part of ovules. Okay.
You see the tube-like structure here, by which the pollen grains are entering in the
Ovary.
So this is the thalamus part of this flower,
Yeah.
and this
The
is the
sepal.
This is ovules.
Ovules. Yeah.
This is in here you see the style. The long tube-like structure is known as style, and the pollen grains are attached in the stigma. Here you anther, here petals.
And
So-
you know, I'm explain the fact of this flower. Actually, you think that why this plant have a red color? Why? Actually, this is very attractive, as we already know, as we study in physics, that the red color have maximum wavelength and less frequency. That's why many insects coming there and help in the formation of ovary and sporogenesis. Thanks for watching our video.
Keep watching Fact Hub.
Thanks and bye.